Welcome to our quick video enrolling the WS9LCDWF9 DSC Keypad, which is a wireless battery-operated keypad, to the IQ4. Since it's battery-operated, you do have to hit a button to wake it up, which becomes annoying. But 1 and pound will enroll, so let's go into the IQ4. Into advanced settings.
Enter user code.
Installation, devices, security sensors, auto learn sensor. And then we will wake this up. Hold 1 and star. And we see here that it's asking for that sensor number, which we can validate. It was on the screen earlier. It's also on the back. That is the correct number. And we're going to leave it as fixed intrusion. Backlight on. Of course, we want to give it a meaningful name. We're going to say that this is the basement keypad, just to be a little different. Add new.
Sensor added successfully.
Okay, so now we do need to give this just a moment to synchronize with the system, download the zones into its memory and all that good stuff. Okay, so now the system is ready to arm. I find that after joining it, we still should wait a little bit. So we can do a demo, but it may be a little sluggish to respond. So we'll start by arming the system.
Select arm system type, arm stay.
On the panel. And if we wake this up, it does recognize that the system is armed. And it says it's armed in stay mode. If we disarm.
System is now disarmed.
And it does work. And you heard that there was a constant entry beep going on here on this remote panel as well. So that's cool. So let's arm the system. Just put our code in.
Away mode selected.
So it's armed in away mode. It's doing the countdown. Won't put you through that, but to disarm, it's the code again.
System is now disarmed by basement keypad.
Okay, so to show some other features, we're going to go ahead and open a sensor here.
Back window open.
So back window is open, and if we wake this guy up, sure enough, he does show you that there's an open zone with back window. There are some star functions available you can do, and you can arrow through them with the arrow keys. System troubles, zone bypass, we just saw, alarm memory, and some user functions. So if we go into user functions, there's a walk test, there's brightness control, contrast control, buzzer control, which can change the beeps. And if you set buzzer control, by the way, to buzzer level 0, this thing's totally silent and will make absolutely no noises at all under any circumstance, which is, I believe, under any circumstance, which is kind of cool. We're going to leave it at 1. And pound sign gets you out of the menu. So if we go ahead and try to arm with that sensor open, I do have the system set up to auto bypass, so it will tell you that there's, bypass active.
System is now disarmed by basement keypad.
So that's it. Very easy to add a wireless DSC keypad to your IQ4 system. Have a great day.